Two of them. What's the matter with you?
One of us hit this son of a bitch. Just didn't get the explosive response that we wanted. But you can see here, that's pretty neat. That Sobe bottle. Look like that tree got shot to death. And here's the discharge from the explosive packet. And then Dad got that bottle there. See, there's a nice little rip in there. Still got some more juice left, so flip this over. Use it again. Now, you see, that one got hit too. And Clint did hit this. Either him or I was hitting this packet here. Just clipped the edge. Instructions say you gotta hit them in the middle. So we'll load up and give her another shot. Next is some of these other targets that we got set out. Move around and get a little different setting.